luke-moseley. And know this, there will be no rewards for provocations. Those days are over. To the leaders of Pyongyang, I say, this is the choice before you. This is the decision that you must make. Have the courage to pursue peace and give a better life to the people of North Korea.
When I say to the North, do not underestimate us and do not try us. The time for excuses is over. Now is the time for strength. If you want peace, you must stand strong at all times. The strength of the nation does not come from the false glory of a tyrant. It comes from the true and powerful glory of a strong and great people, the people of the Republic of Korea.
It is a great honor to be here at Hankuk University of Foreign Studies. For decades, this school has produced leaders, public servants, diplomats, business people, who've helped propel the modern miracle that is Korea, transforming it from crushing poverty to one of the world's most dynamic economies, from a country focused inward to a leader for security and prosperity, not only in this region, but also around the world, a truly global Korea. So to all the students here today, this is the Korea your generation will inherit. And I believe there is no limits to what our two nations can achieve together. And you know that in our digital age, we can connect and innovate across borders like never before. With your smartphones and Twitter and Me Today and KakaoTalk. It's no wonder so many people around the world have caught the Korean wave. Hallyu. Here in Korea, I want to speak directly to the leaders in Pyongyang. The United States has no hostile intent toward your country. We are committed to peace. And we are prepared to take steps to improve relations. But by now, it should be clear. Your provocations and pursuit of nuclear weapons have not achieved the security you seek. They have undermined it. And know this, there will be no rewards for provocations. Those days are over. So to the leaders of Pyongyang, I say, this is the choice before you. This is the decision that you must make. Have the courage to pursue peace and give a better life to the people of North Korea. Like our vision of a world without nuclear weapons, our vision of a Korea that stands as one may not be reached quickly, but from this day until then, and all the days that follow, we take comfort in knowing that the security we seek, the peace we want, is closer at hand because of the great alliance between the United States and the Republic of Korea. And no matter the test, no matter the trial, we stand together. We work together. We go together. 같이 갑시다. Thank you very much.
I know that the Republic of Korea, which has become a tremendously successful nation, will be a faithful ally of the United States very long into the future. Here, the strength of the nation does not come from the false glory of a tyrant. It comes from the true and powerful glory of a strong and great people, the people of the Republic of Korea. In this republic, the people have done what no dictator ever could. You had a dream, a Korean dream, and you built that dream into a great reality. In so doing, you performed the miracle on the Han that we see all around us, from the stunning skyline of Seoul to the plains and peaks of this beautiful landscape. The more successful South Korea becomes, the more decisively you discredit the dark fantasy at the heart of the Kim regime. In this way, the very existence of a thriving South Korean republic threatens the very survival of the North Korean dictatorship. This city and this assembly are living proof that a free and independent Korea not only can, but does stand strong, sovereign, and proud among the nations of the world. Today, I hope I speak not only for our countries, but for all civilized nations when I say to the North, do not underestimate us and do not try us. We will defend our common security, our shared prosperity, and our sacred liberty. We will not be intimidated, and we will not let the worst atrocities in history be repeated here on this ground we fought and died so hard to secure. That is why I come here to the heart of a free and flourishing Korea with a message for the peace-loving nations of the world. The time for excuses is over. Now is the time for strength. If you want peace, you must stand strong at all times. Together we dream of a Korea that is free, a peninsula that is safe, and families that are reunited once again. Until that day comes, we stand strong and alert. Our eyes are fixed to the north and our hearts praying for the day when all Koreans can live in freedom. Thank you. God bless you. God bless the Korean people. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.